What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. Hope you guys are doing well. Excuse my red face. I went to the beach yesterday, and some of us white boys, we go to the beach and we turn into a ripe cherry tomato. So don't pay too much attention to it. So guys, Polygon is back above $1. Incredible pump overnight, incredible pump for Bitcoin, incredible pump for Ethereum, and an incredible pump here for Polygon. We're currently up about 12% on the day. We're back above that major level of resistance, previous level of support of $1. Currently we're sitting at $1.05. We're sitting at a market cap of 6.74 billion, and the 24-hour volume is sitting at 1.3 billion. So we're actually going to start with some juicy news here for Polygon. So the $100 million project designed to make Polygon top tier whilst ousting Ethereum. This has to do with NFT, guys. So we're just going to go over some of the juiciest part of the articles here. So a new player on the NFT scene, Polygon, formerly known as Matic, which has been a competitor of Ethereum, also seems to be a likely candidate to displace Ethereum. Guys, are you listening to this? Absolutely incredible. Polygon is a blockchain built as a... Wow, these guys are honking while I'm making a video. Keep it down, bro. I'm trying to do some crypto. Blockchain built as an Ethereum scaling solution to solve its limitations, and claims they already have over 500 decentralized apps under them, including OpenSea, a popular NFT marketplace. Guys, you know Matic Polygon is constantly collabing. They're constantly bringing on new partnerships. Over 500 decentralized apps. Absolutely incredible. Polygon has launched a $100 million fund for NFT and gaming project, naming it Polygon Studios. The new department is to cater to game companies, allowing their developers to fuse their Web 2.0 games with Web 3.0 decentralized technology. When this comes around, it will offer a much cheaper, described as close to zero, means of carrying out NFT transactions, while also offering compatibility with the extremely popular with NFTs. What the hell is this, a typo? With the extremely popular NFTs on Ethereum. It's a bit of a typo here. As well as being able to rely upon its security, getting protection from a broad community of computing sources that can fulfill the blockchain verification task. So incredible to see Polygon continuing to expand a $100 million project to jump into NFTs in the gaming sector, which is absolutely massive in crypto as well as worldwide. All right, guys, so we're going to pop straight into the technical analysis. So we're going to start here on the 1 hour chart. Wow, guys, absolutely incredible. Now we had this rising wedge. I had a few commenters that said, no, bro, it is a bull flag. And you could make that argument here, depending on where you draw it. Like maybe you could draw it right here, but then we kind of broke up and then we broke down and then we came back up. However, if that's what you're calling for, I will draw out our flagpole here just to give you a target based off that that pattern. It wasn't what I was noticing. I was noticing the rising wedge, and we broke out to the upside, which does happen, but it would bring you up to about $1.19 if you are playing that breakout here. And congrats to everyone that did. You've been making some juicy profits. And if you'd like to learn to trade with leverage, check out Bybit. Sign up for $600 in bonuses just for signing up through my referral. You get $50 just for initial deposit, guys. All right, so we're back above $1. Absolutely massive level of resistance. You can see all the support in this area. You know, we've been going over $1 for the last month on this channel here. And our next major level of resistance here, in my opinion, is up here at $1.24, $1.23, which was an $1.22, which was an absolutely massive level of support that we had been covering on the channel as we talk about Polygon every single day almost. Yesterday I took a day off and went to the beach, and it was absolutely beautiful. Nice sand, beautiful horses, and got overcharged for a place to sit, and some orange juice. I got an orange juice and it was like $12. It was like this big, and luckily I had my Nigerian friend there, and he was like, come on bro, that's, you know, you just trying to rip him off because he's a white boy. But you know, that's how it goes. But we got the price down a little bit anyways. You guys don't really care. All right, let's pop over to the daily chart. So you can see, guys, we're coming up to test the 55 EMA, major level of resistance. We get back above the 55, you know what happens. We have the bullish cross, and we start reversing the trend and continue on this bull run. So if we do come up here, guys, and we break above $1.22, 2, and we back test it as support, that's when you see the bullish cross. You'll see the 20 EMA come back above the 55, and we're good to go. We continue here on the bull run. Now I quickly wanted to pop it over to the 4 hour, and I'm also going to show it to you here on the weekly. So what I want to show you guys here on the 4 hours is the Fibonacci. So I'm going to pull it from this swing high. You can see here we had a impulsive wave, corrective wave, impulsive wave, and a massive corrective wave. So I just bit my tongue a little bit. Oh, that hurt like a biatch. So I'm going to pull it from this swing high down to this swing low to show you guys that we're back above the 0.5 on the Fibonacci, guys. So if we can get back above this level of resistance here, which is the golden ratio at $1.15, you can see right here, resistance, resistance, resistance. That would be a clear sign that we're going to go tackle $1.24, and of course much more. Get back above the golden ratio, you head back up to where you started at $1.70. Oh, that would be so extremely juicy. And back up to the 1.272 at $2.23. Now guys, if we fall through $1, if we do lose it as support, we are looking bullish here, but we have had a large pump. If we were to lose these levels of support, I will always give you the bearish scenario as well as the bullish. I'm going to drop in this level of support back at about 91 cents. And we're going to come down here and drop in this level of support back at 78 cents, those previous levels of support here. If we were to just sell off, but we are looking bullish right now. The bulls are in control. We're seeing a nice little pump. So if we can see a bit of consolidation, if we can hold support in this area, that's when we'll head up to $1.15, $1.24 major level of resistance. We get back above that, we're going to start to reverse the trend here. If we look at Matic on the weekly, let me open the weekly chart. So here's Matic on the weekly. Let me get these squigglies out of here real quick. Just a little bit of doodle. So you can see here on the weekly chart, guys, at the end of the week, if we continue to consolidate, if we continue to stay in this range of $1 all the way up to $1.24, we'll have a weekly close above the 20 EMA, and I think that would be absolutely massive for Matic. You can see how strong this project is, guys. We only slightly broke the 20 EMA, and then we bounced right back up. We didn't even make it down to the 55. It does follow very closely with Ethereum, and you'll see that with Ethereum as well. So let's actually pop into our friend ETH. Just a quick drink of water, guys. Hope you're enjoying crypto today. It's very exciting. So we have a few technical targets here. I talked about our double bottom and us hitting some resistance on the neckline of our double bottom, which is exactly what has happened, guys. Now, if we do break above this double bottom, that's absolutely massive in my opinion. If we break above it, we back tested our support. You can see here on the daily, we're back above the 55 EMA and the 20, and you can see the 20 starting to curl, which is a beautiful signal. We come up, we back test as support. Your breakout target is all the way here at 2934, complete reversal in the trend and a continuation on this bull run. You see here we had our descending broadening channel. Now we never broke this level of support down here. The support was never broken. As you can see, it was never broken. So our technical target still stands, which is up here at about 2644 is your technical target from this descending channel. And then we have this breakout target here at 2034. Now, if we were to hit resistance, guys, and we rolled over, we do have this level of support, 2034, that we have been covering on the channel. I'm going to quickly just take this out because we really don't need it. That was our breakdown target from this ascending triangle, and I did say I highly doubt we will make it to that target. But if we were to hit some resistance, I'm just going to drop in 2034 if we were to sell off. And 1696. Of course, we're looking more bullish right now. We're back above the EMAs, but we've had a significant pump. So what can happen is we hit some resistance. We see a little bit of rollover. We may find support here on the EMAs or find support at about 2034. Or what we can also see is we break through, we back test it as resistance, or we just see another pump where we just see another spike in volume and we start pumping up. But if we start to break through this level of resistance here, I think that would be absolutely massive bullish signal that we're going to have a reversal in the trend. We start to head up to 2934. Beautiful trade opportunities, guys. If you didn't get in on the last trades, this would be a huge opportunity in my opinion. If you see us start to break above this double bottom, back to as support, you can enter a long trade because your technical target is 2934. And we also have this target from our descending broadening channel at 2631. So we'll finish up the video for Matic. Maybe we'll give some future price targets for Matic if this is our true bottom here. We did create a new bottom However, if this were to be our true bottom, we can give some future price targets based off the Fibonacci extension. We're going to do the 1.272, which is up here at about $3, about $4, guys, and the 1.618, which is up here at about $6.58 are some future price targets if that is our true bottom. So that's it for Matic, guys. Beautiful to see a pump here. What you want to see is we start to consolidate and let the EMAs catch back up to the candles. We hold this level of support, we consolidate, the EMAs catch back up to the candles on the 4 hour, on the hourly chart, and then we can continue. But if that if the $1 level of support is broken, I would expect us to find support right around 91 cents. All right, guys, so that's it for this one. I hope you guys enjoyed it, you got some value. If you did, you know what to do. Smash that like button, sign up to Bybit, check out the Discord, over 1,000 members. Great place to stay ahead of the game, as well as I'm posting chart patterns for trade opportunities. So that's it, guys. I'll see you in the next video. Much love. Take care.